Miss Melissa here. We're gonna make some Play-Doh today, guys, okay? So we're all gonna make it together. We're gonna start off with 2 cups of flour. We have some flour in the bowl already, so now we're just adding our 2nd cup. And we're gonna do a cup of salt. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of water. Okay, next we're going to add a tablespoon of oil. And we're going to add some food coloring, whatever color you guys want to add. You don't have to add any if you don't want to make it a color. Okay, once you got it all together, you guys can start mixing it up.
Oh, oopsies.
As you're mixing, if it seems like it's a little dry, you might need to add a little more water like we're doing. I think we need a little bit more than that though. If it seems too wet, then you can add a little more flour. Mix it as much as you can in the bowl, and once you've mixed it fully in the bowl, then we're going to take it out and knead it. Okay, once you've mixed it as much as you can in the bowl, we're going to take it out and we're going to knead it. So find a good surface to knead it on. We're just putting it on some wax paper.
Feels nice. Yeah, yeah. But weird.
Once it's kneaded, you've got some Play-Doh. We're going to show you guys some of the other Play-Dohs that we've made. Okay, show it to the camera. Okay, one at a time. This one, go ahead, squish it over. Okay, this one's our shaving cream cornstarch one that we made a while ago now though, so it's starting to come apart. And this other one is a cream of tartar recipe, but we used crayon to color it. And that one we also made a little while ago, and it's lasted a good amount of time if you keep it in the fridge. So those are 3 different types of Play-Doh you guys can make. All the recipes will be available if you want to try any of them.